Guys, I cannot even express how much of a happy face I have on my face right now. I am in awe how this series has turned out. I'm in awe how this trike turned out, and then just the final look. It's just, there's still a lot to take in. This thing has been transformed, and we've pretty much hit the end of the road to restoration. It's pretty much done. I know you can't really see the badge right now. You're gonna be like, Kaden, it's probably not gonna look perfect. Calm down. If it scratches the paint, or if I messed up, I'll redo it off camera. It's all good. There's a couple other, I say this at the end of the road here. There's a couple odds and ends here I still need to tidy up. Of course, there's a couple stickers I want to still put on the same, but I'm looking on where I can get them at the moment. So that will come a later time, a later day, when we go on a trip here very soon. I'm getting very excited for this trip. I loved taking Bandit out there last year, and I'm actually going to be able to share it with you this, guys, because I also recently got a new camera. It's not a fancy GoPro or anything like that, but it'll get the job done. It's the 8-man A79. If you guys want to get a review on it, then, well, let me know down in the comments down below, and I'll see what I can do. I'm really excited for the trip. I'm really excited for how this trike turned out. It took us a little bit of a hurdle to get here and there, but in the end, we made it. We did it. I just have a smile on my face, guys, right now, and that's all that matters. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this Road to Restoration series. I'm going to be planning on doing those little time-lapse videos, you know, where people are rebuilding cars in about 10 minutes. We're going to be restoring a trike in 10 minutes or 12 minutes or however many minutes it takes in a proper time lapse. So get hyped for that, guys, and well, I'll see you guys around. Peace.